What's up, what's up? We're gonna do the rear camber today on the hatch. That Skunk2 rear camber kit. All you're gonna need is a 14. Take this one off first. And then once you get that one off, get your extensions with the 14 and take these two off, and this whole piece will come out. All right, let's take this first one off. It's easier to take this one off because if you take those two off, when you try to loosen this one, you just won't have the leverage. This whole piece will just be fucking rocking back and forth. So take this one off first. Once you get that out, then take those two out. It's a 14. Just keep waiting a minute. Screw it. Might drop a little bit. My leg's underneath it. And it just kind of just hangs there. And just pull it down a little bit. Next, get your extensions, and it's a 14 on the two back ones. You could use a wrench, but I'm lazy, so I have power tools. Only the take off though, I never put back on with power tools. Team strip them. Just take these two off, and it just literally just falls out. It's not bad. It's still intact. I've seen videos of this piece completely just out. Pretty sure they're not directional. Well, they are directional. This part obviously has to go to the car, and that part goes to the trailing arm. But what I mean is, like, there's no left or right. I'm pretty sure both sides are like exactly. All right, just to show you what I was talking about. You see how these two bolt holes are like that? They're up and down. Well, they come horizontal. It's like flat, right? So all I did to get it look like that is just stick a screwdriver in there and just pry it up straight and just try to line it up damn near like exactly how that one looks, and you'll be good to go. I wasn't sure if this piece went like that or like that. It connects to here with this bolt through it. So I actually looked on YouTube, La Tommy La, and it's got to go like this. Okay, so this part goes up and just goes right in there like that. All right, I just got that piece just hanging down. Once you get this bolt in, just go ahead and tighten it up. Like I said, I always use the wrenches to put stuff back on. I've snapped many bolts using power tools, putting them back in, being lazy. It's good practice. Just tighten that like that. Got the back two bolts in. You gotta kind of lift up on the drum to like lift it up to get these bolts in right here. And just make sure you hand tighten them like all the way. They'll basically go all the way down. Just make sure you hand tighten them. That way you don't cross thread it, because I can imagine trying to retap those holes or doing something crazy is not gonna be fun. What you wanna do now is put the suspension under the load before you tighten those bolts. I just got them like hand tight, like I said. I got my little jack, because my wife's got the key to the shed for my real jack, but I just jacked it up just so it's almost floating. I just pressed right there just to compress everything, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tighten everything tight right now. Now that I got those back two tight, I can now get this front one tight, and then once I get this one all the way tight, I can lower it back down on the jack and then adjust the camber. All right, that one's fully snug. When I put this first one in, I maybe put like 2, 3, almost got it tight, but it's the back ones that really matter. Skunk2 all day. So what I'm gonna do now is take a wrench, and this is just to get you started. You're still gonna have to get alignment if you ever do this. I mean, I lowered my car and I had negative camber, and this is the reason why I put a camber kit, so you could add positive camber to get that hella flush look. Sorry about that live. I believe down is for negative camber, and up like that is positive camber. So we want to add camber, which is basically like just tilting everything this way. Negative camber would be like that, right? So when I slam my car on its nuts, the wheels were in, so adding some camber will bring it back flush. So I'm just gonna basically get on this one until I think it's close, and for the other one I'm probably just gonna try to match it before I put it in the car, so I don't have to really do this stuff that much, because I could have probably helped myself by raising them out before I even put them in, but I just left them how they came. So I'm gonna get this to where I I think it needs. So I'll either adjust the other one to look like that by putting it right here and kind of like eyeballing it, or I'll just put it on as it came and just do 7 half turns, and it should get me pretty close. So once you do that, then basically you just bring this other nut all the way right there and it locks it down. Do the same for the back one. Lock it down nice and tight. I'll put the tires on, and then probably have to adjust it, but you can always go to your tire shop, get in the alignment, and just tell them you want 0 camber front and back. Front you can only adjust if you have front camber kit as well. Stay tuned for that. This side, now I'm gonna do the other side. It's the same exact thing, obviously. Underneath, it's about almost a ½ inch on each side, and that's how I got it kind of close. You could bring it out a little bit more. Look at all the leaves. Poor car needs a bath. It's been raining. But I can bring it out a little bit more. I got the coilovers adjusted all the way to the top, and it's still pretty slammed on its nuts. So we'll have to make a little bit more adjustments. But that was it. Really easy, simple install. Took me not even 45 minutes. Honda transmission. Honda transmission. Spare Honda parts. That's what this is. Another spare D16 Z6 bottom end, ready to go. Always got a backup. Maybe I'll fully build this one.